Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela, aka Pamazon Warrior, and today is technically a part 2 from my first video where I showed you where you can find head wraps for as low as $1 depending on the amount of fabric that you use. Now in this video I'm going to show you how I quickly turn that fabric into different head wrap styles. I'm going to show you 3 styles. One is kind of like a tuck under, another one is a bow, and then the third one is going to be this full head wrap, all of which I'm going to try to do in under 30 seconds. Now, sometimes I may actually time myself, other times I may not, but the essence is to show you that you can come up with a cute head wrap and style in a short period of time. And hopefully this video will help you. Stay tuned. Here I come, here I come, here I come again. What's my weakness? Head wraps. I have about 8 inches of material, nothing fancy. You can kind of even see that some of the ends are frayed, but you don't need to be looking that close to my material anyway. So I have it again, fastest head wrap ever. Boom, boom, boom. We're covered and we're gonna like wrap and tuck. And let's see, I like the bows better, but if you don't, boom, 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 boom. You can have fun with it. Just make sure you fix any pieces that may be sticking out, and that took not a lot of time at all. So let's move on to a more difficult style. So I am going to take this fabric that I have already cut and turn it into this little bandeau slash shorty head wrap situation that we have going on here. I made a quick little bow with it, but let's undo it all. Let's undo it all and show you what it looks like. So we are reverse engineering it. Fastest tutorial ever. Take it and you're gonna lay it down middle of your head, and I'm gonna have to turn because it's very hard to do this in the camera that you can't see. Literally equal footing on both sides. Take it and a quick knot like so, and it depends. If you want to show your little baby hairs, you can do that. And there are 2 types of people in this world, okay? The ones that cover their ears and the ones that do not. Do whatever makes you happy, sweetie. Take one, flip it, and I'm flipping it in. This is the inside. It may be kind of hard to tell on video, but I can tell in person. I'm flipping it, pinching the corner, and I'm just gonna tuck it under that spot, under the little knot. I didn't force it. If I'm out here trying to whip my head back and forth, it will definitely come out. Take your other piece. Again, you want the inside to be on the inside, and here's the pretty color on the outside. I am pinching the corners, okay? And then we are just going to tuck it under. Nothing perfect. Voila. We're gonna see if we can do this in under 30 seconds flat. Now the flat is actually an acronym for what I want you to do with this type of style. The F is for fold it in half first. The L is to lay it against the back of your head. The A is to adjust it so that it's equal on both sides. And then the T is to twist it all around. So I'll show you this quickly. I'm actually gonna set my timer to see if I'm about this life. From 0 to 30 seconds. I'm scared. And let's go. It's on. Okay. So my camera decided to die on me, so we are going to do this on my other phone. So let's try this out and see if we can beat it. Unadulterated, the full length of the material, and start. Fold it in half. I'm not talking to you guys this time so I can move quickly. Put it lay it on my head and twist after we adjust. Don't twist it too tight or you'll give yourself a headache. Trust me, I know. I'm definitely wearing sweatpants. And boom. Okay. La, 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 la. That's it. Now obviously the size of your I guess ball in the front will depend on how much hair you have sticking up in the back. Now if your hair is down low, this is kind of how it will look, and the ball in the front will be a little bit bigger. And that is it, you guys. Those are my tips on how to tie the fastest head wrap possible. Okay, 3 different ways that you can pick and choose, and they are all beginner friendly. And now it's time for the warrior word of the day. The warrior word of the day is speed. Time management is not my forte in terms of getting ready in the morning, so I'm definitely constantly finding ways that I can do things a little bit better and faster. Now, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful and to help you speed through getting ready and to overall find ways to do things time efficiently. I would love to know if you have any hacks for getting ready. Feel free to share your tips down below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.